the add function block. In this lesson, we will be discussing the add function block. The student is expected to learn how the add function block works. The logic flow is from left to right, which will start with the input, the logic solve, and then the output. Looking at the function block narrative, the output is the sum of int01 value and int02 value. Now, we go live with our PLC and simulate the inputs, and we observe the output and confirm with the function block narrative. We simulate int01 and int02 values and observe the result. To recap, output is the sum of int01 value and int02 value.